Got them ones off. Greg's taking stuff apart. Woo!
They said if I need to put it in something,
Yeah, we're gonna probably take it all in on the table.
I brought a flathead out too.
Oh, that'll get the bottom ones. Well, some of them have Phillips, some of them have flatheads. It's a hodgepodge. Amazingly clean. Look at how clean that is. Incredible. The sockets are way clean. Like, I am impressed with how clean these are.
Does these come out good?
All right, now that we have the light out, we can kind of see what's went on over here. Not too bad. We're gonna fix it. We've got enough people. We'll fix it.
How did you get this thing out?
There's some stamped nuts on the back side.
Nuts.
Yeah, you gotta like reach in there and you'll.
I don't think you can do it.
I can't do it with my bare fingers.
I got these two, but this side's jacked up.
You got magical. We need.
I do this all day. That's why. Let me feel. Let me see. Let me check the magic feel. Oh yeah, that one's on there. Yeah. It fits the one up here for sure.
It didn't fit this.
That one might be a 7/16. Here. Switch socket. That's too loose or perfect?
That's better.
There you go.
Which one? Hold on, I'm still unscrewing it. There we go.
All right. Now you can do the other ones. Now the backup lights are this. So
Which ones?
the top is the 3/8.
Oh, the top?
And then the bottom is 7/16. You got this. Woo! Getting stuff out. There you go. There you go.
Oh, there's nothing there.
Yeah, that one's only got one.
Someone brought it in to yeah, I took it in, put it on the screen.
Stuck?
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Greg, here, no, this one's got shit caked on it, but there's stuff on that one.
Oh, there's one. Oh, there is one there.
Okay, are we about
Unplug and then get the other ones.
How does this unplug?
Yeah, those just pull out. These pull out right here.
From.
They're just bullet connectors.
Oh, they
They just pop apart.
just pop apart. Okay.
There you go.
And then this one will
That
pop.
one pops right there. And you need your 3/8 socket
And then my
right
other
there.
socket, which is
Right here.
that one. All right. Uh-oh, it fell.
Oh, we can get more of those. Not that one. You don't need that one.
What's that?
That one you don't need. It's just the ones that go through the body. But the other one's attached. It should come right out now.
Are we keeping some of those other parts?
Whatever we got, we're going to attempt to
Yeah.
keep, but we can get more if we need.
There we go.
All right. There it is.
Headlights on.
And let's get the gasket. Carefully.
You crazy man.
Careful. Easy. There you go.
Can you buy new ones?
Maybe. Yeah.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Yeah, this one didn't have one. But this one's... Chuck, you want to see how this side looks? after the bang bang that happened there?
Oh, it's fine.
Yeah.
This is gonna have to get rolled.
Ooh, we have cheering over here. Look at that.
Let's move the interior bits out of, and the vacuum out of the way of the water.
Yes.
We might need to vacuum some of this too.
Trying?
Careful, flat screwdriver.
Somewhere in the back. All right. One piece of trim. Woo! I gotta get the other one next.
That's cool.
Coming off. There it is. Yeah. Trim off. Nice. Woo! Chuck. Chuck, she's naked on this side.
Might not be a good
Wow,
idea.
you know what? All things considered, those are pretty amazing.
That's pretty damn clean.
Yeah.
Those are incredible.
Yeah.
Minus our little
It really is.
oopsie. But
They're
I
incredible.
gotta take the trim off my car.
nice.
Okay, so